Hello friends, welcome to our channel Zero Negativity. Look at the returns of company. 3 year 116 percentage, 1 year 101 percentage, year to date 74 percentage, 3 month 10 percentage, 1 month minus 3.07 percentage. This company originally incorporated on 8th November 1985 as a public limited. This company under the name of Aruna Finance Limited. Its name was changed to Aruna Sugar Finance with effect from 25th June 1990. ASFL was subsidiary of Aruna Sugar and Enterprises Limited. ASFL came out with public issue at premium and the share were listed on Madras, Bombay and Ahmedabad stock exchanges in 1994. The company was registered with the Reserve Bank of India as a non-banking financial company (NBFC) since 1986 and has been categorized as a hire purchase company. The company has started full-fledged money-changing activities since 1996 and has obtained IID Category 2 from January 2012 onwards. ASCL was acquired by ICL Financial Services Limited and ICL Securities Limited, the whole-owned subsidiary of the Indian Cements Limited. The name of company is India Cements Capital Limited. Market capital of this company is 18 crore, face value of 10, book value of 7.05. This company had a quite here purchase and leasing business and hived of it bank liabilities and related charged assets to special purpose vehicle company and has been focusing on fee-based activities since 2006. Consequently, the company has registered with the Reserve Bank of India as non-deposit taking NBFC company. The name of company has been changed to India Cements Capital Limited with effect from 29/11/2006. India Cements Capital Limited is one of the associate company of Chennai-based business house of the India Cements Limited. Mr. N.R. Krishnan is the chairman of this company. N.R. Krishnan is retired Indian Administrative Service Officer. He has a rich, varied experience in administration and general management. ICCL is professionally managed under the stewardship of Mr. K. Suresh, qualified CA and CS with many years experience in the non-banking finance company. Products of India Cements Capital Limited. They are doing for exchange. For exchange is a brand name under which the company extends money changing services as an RBI approved authorized dealer category 2 foreign exchange. ICL Forex sell and buy all major foreign currencies to and from customer as per regulations. They are involving money transfer service also. Transfer money directly to bank account with low fees using the service. They are also doing travel insurance, add to services, currency converter, all these activities they are focused. Indian Cements Capital Limited involves the Midas Forex Advisory Division, extend professional guidance in forex risk management to importers and exporters. The client are provide access to the ever-changing foreign exchange markets through as well equipped dealing room. Specific advice on deals or blanket advice options are also provided to help the client hedges risk in exchange market. Indian Cement Capital Limited also focused in brokerage sector in Indian stock market. Look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having 74.9% of shares. The public 25.09% and other 0.1%. Look at the revenue of this company. In 2017, 5 crore. In 2018, 6 crore. 2019, 5 crore. In 2020, 5 crore. In 2021 is 1 crore. Look at the chart. This stock currently trading 8.30 rupees. 52-week low is 3.10 and 52-week high is 10.74. Now world recover from COVID outbreak. So this company focused on foreign money exchange. So the tourism will begin 1 or 2 months. So this company will very good for long term. Second stock of the day is Skyline Miller Limited. Skyline Miller Limited, formerly known as Miller India Limited, was incorporated company limited on 28th November 1919. Its name was changed to Miller India Limited on 4th January 2002 and later changed Skyline Millers Limited on 23rd October 2007. The main activity of company manufacturing the construction equipment and EOT cranes. This company recently entered into real estate. This company completed over 100 years in business. The company has diversified and extended its goodwill to other areas activities being manufacturing of RCC pipes, manhole systems and precast products and development of real estate with equal success. Now 8 lakh square feet residential development, that is 12 building construction going on near Vidya Vihar Station West. RCC pipes since 1902 offer steel reinforced concrete pipes. The company is licensed under Bureau of Indian Standard. Millers are manufacturing concrete pipe of class NP3 and NP4 in size varying from 300 millimeter to 2600 millimeter and also manufacture jacking pipes, square and rectangular box products, and the range of mangrove products with use of high-tech vertical vibration casting technology under one roof. The millers are leading in RCC pipe manufacturing. Clients of Skyline Millers, L&T Construction, Mumbai, Ekruti Projects, Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation, PVHS, Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, Super Construction, Sitco Projects, Saumya Construction, Pasco India Limited, Mansi Corporations, Ahmedabad, SPML Infra Limited, Neptune Projects, Kalyan, Garpur Engineers, Mahavir Infra Mumbai, Sairaj Enterprises, Nasik. Market capital of this company is 39 crore. Face value of 1, book value 6.68 rupees. Look at the returns of this company. 3 year 396 percentage, 1 year 111 percentage, year to date 32 percentage, 3 month minus 33.31 percentage of returns. Look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having 71.67 percentage, public having 28.33 percentage of shares. Look at the revenue of this company. In 2007, 2 crore. In 2008, 3 crore. In 2009, 4 crore. In 2020, due to corona outbreak, 3 crore. In 2021, 4 crore. So the revenue up year by year. In this year, expected more returns. Look at the net profit. In 2017, 2 crore. In 2018, minus 2 crore. In 2019, 0 crore. In 2020, 1 crore. In 2021, 2 crore. The net profit also increased very rapidly. Now this stock trading 9.94 rupees. 52-week high is 19.29. 52-week low is 3.61. Long consolidation broken few months before, so 8.79 as a support. It may have potential to reach 17.50 or 20. Always do your own research before investing. It will help to improve your skills. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and like, share, comment. See you in next video. Bye bye.